I'm Raya, and this is a super quick walkthrough of the vector settings in Vector FX, which is a desktop AI app that turns a text prompt into a vector image. So I'll hit generate on my prompt using one of the presets, and now I'll show you how each of these changes the result of the image in real time. Ooh, I like this guy. Detail controls the overall detail of the image. More detail usually means more objects and more nodes. Smoothing cleans up shapes. You'll usually get fewer tiny pieces and cleaner curves. Color simplification merges similar colors, so you get flatter color regions and typically fewer tiny shapes. Shape simplification removes micro details, so the design becomes a cleaner and easier to edit image. Corner smoothing smooths out corners, so you get fewer sharp edges. Path coarseness controls node density, fewer nodes for easier editing, or more nodes for higher fidelity. Smart background removes your background, and smart crop automatically crops to clean up the composition. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and go make something cool.